Okay, so hello everyone. Today is day 5 of me doing the daily recap on the Oak National Academy website. Today we've done a whole week from Monday to Friday here, and well, what else is there to say? I guess I don't know. What else is there to say? So let's just jump straight into this. First, you've got PE with Joe. That is optional, of course. As I always say, you can but you don't have to do it here. And then next you have your lesson 1, which is art foundation. So today, how can we use visual texture to add interest to our artwork? In this lesson, you're going to look at how Vincent van Gogh used visual texture in his sketchbook, then explore pencil and mark making to enhance your own work. So here you've only got a video which with Miss Cara, and in that video, first you're going to look at some of Vincent van Gogh's paintings and what he used and some types of drawing there. And then after you've done that, what you're going to do is you're going to divide your piece of paper into sections, and then Miss Cara is going to tell you to what to do, what type of pencil marking and how to do it. And then after you've done that, she's going to ask you to draw some real world items or materials, real world things, using those patterns, like those sketches. So, for example, she's going to ask you to draw a scribble or a zigzag and concrete and stuff like that, and a wave there. So after you did that, after you did the video, you had completed your art lesson, foundation. So that you go to lesson 2, fractions problem solving. This is going to be your last lesson on fractions. So at the end of the unit here, and in this lesson, you're going to learn how to solve fraction problems relating to shape, including calculating the perimeter and finding missing lengths. So when you start the video, you're going to have your introductory quiz here. So add the fractions below. 8/9, add 3/4. So we need to convert those. Let's see, 8/9 and 3/4. So let's do that. 8/9 and 3/4. Let's see, that will be 32/36 and 27/36. So what do we need to do? We need to add them together, which would make 59/36. So let's do that. 59/36. Add the mixed numbers below. So here you can see the C is not a mixed number, and here obviously it's not going to end up with a denominator of 13, so it's A here. Then subtract the fractions below. 8/9 take away 3/5. Let's do that. Let's do that. So what was the fractions? 8/9 3/5. So 8/9 3/5. We need to take those away. So let's see this. 8/9 would become 40/45, and 3, that would become 27/45. So we need to take away, which would make 13/45. Let's do that. 13/45. Subtract the mixed numbers below. This one would be, let's check this. Let's do this. That would make, let's see, that would make, so that would be B. That would make B. The sequence is increasing in equal intervals. What is the next fraction in this sequence? That would be 2/9. After you've done that, you have a video with Miss Parsons. What you're going to do is you're going to learn how to find perimeter using the given fractions, and then you're going to find out how to find out the missing fraction in the length there. So you will have to pause the video and complete some tasks, but it won't take too long. So after you have that, you have your main activity here. So first you've got calculate the perimeter of the shapes below. So number 1A would be 2.5. This one would be 2.5, the perimeter, and B would be 3.25. This would be 3.5. B would be 3.5. Question 2. Calculate the perimeter of the shapes below. A would be 6 and B would be 2.1/7. And question 3. Use your knowledge of fractions and perimeter to help you find the missing lengths on the shapes below. So A would be 1.4/6 and B would be 2/31. It would be 2/3. It would be 2/3. Sorry, 2/3. B would be 2/3. So after you did that, you're gonna go and mark it. And after you've marked it, you've got your quiz, end of lesson quiz here. So when you start quiz, you're gonna see express the fraction below in its simplest form. You can see you can divide both of them by four, which would make 2/3. Convert the improper fraction to a mixed number. That would be 2 2/5, which is A. Convert the mixed number to an improper fraction. That would be 3 times 7 is 21. 21 add 4 would be 25/7. Add the fractions below. Give your answer as an improper fraction. You can see A and B are not improper actually, A is not an improper fraction. B and A, let's see that. Let's see. So one of them is wrong because you can see both numerators are 13, so that can't be. So let's check that. That would be C. The answer would be C. Subtract the fractions below. That would result in that would result in four 4/15. Yes, 4/15. So after you did that, the maths is complete, and you've just got your English left to do. And in this lesson, you're going to write your information leaflet, which you've been preparing for this week. So first, you're going to have your introductory quiz here. Which sentence is the most formal? Here, it would have been the team were defeated due to the mistakes they made. True or false, the following sentence is written in the third person. He walks to the park daily. That's true. Which sentence is in the passage is most formal? Hope you can make it to my birthday party next week. It's going to be great. The venue is yet to be confirmed. I'm still checking out a couple of places. The answer would be the venue is yet to be confirmed. Now, read the sentences below and tick the column to show whether it has been written in the third person or not. They run extremely fast would be third person. It makes me think about being kind, and that's not third person. The lion roared loudly and he scared the other animals. That would be... I'm not sure about that yet. You need to try your best with your work. That would definitely not be. So this one I'm going to say is third person. No. So third person not, third person not. Which of the following is an antonym of fascinating? That would be boring. There. After you did that, here you've got your video with Mr. Fozzard. He's going to recap a few things that you learnt over the previous lessons very quickly, like formality and the structure of an information leaflet. And then he's going to tell you to write the introduction first. He's going to say what you could include in your introduction. Then he's going to tell you to write the first paragraph. He's going to tell you what you could include. He's going to tell you to write your second paragraph. He's going to tell you what to include, and he's going to tell you what to write in the conclusion, or the third paragraph. He's going to tell you what to write in there. There. So after you did that, you completed the lesson, and you you've completed the lessons for today. So so I won't be doing any videos during the weekend, as there are no lessons on Oak National Academy on the weekend. However, I'll be back on Monday, and I guess goodbye and stay safe.